Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm with Ed. I just found out that Bulk.com does a ton of donating of items that they can't put in pallets and cases. And so Ed's going to kind of share with us what that's all about. Okay, so I was given a tour and found out that you guys do a lot of donating of products. So what's some of the reasons that you donate some of your products?
So a lot of companies that we receive product from, the product that they send will have different characteristics about it that makes it worth more to donate than to sell on bulk.
Okay. So like condition in box is all crushed, but the item is still good, so you can maybe donate that
That's
kind of
correct.
thing. Okay.
So the system itself will determine donate eligibility as well as operators that are receiving the product.
Well, and I know on Amazon, like if I want to send some stuff, and as you can see, we're kind of showing some footage of the things that they donate. This whole aisle is actually donatable stuff, but I know on Amazon when you have food products, they won't let you send it in unless it's within 120 days of expiration, and so so they'll not let you send it in, so stuff like that maybe that gets donated? Correct,
yeah. Expiration dates play a factor into it, as well as seasonality of items.
Okay.
And yeah.
So we got some stuff like this. Do you mind if I pick up and show some things? So here's kind of some fun game cubes that get donated. What are some of the places, like are there some local places around here that you donate to? Somebody said something about donating to like pet shelters. And
yeah, we'll do pet shelters, we'll do food banks for some of the food that we get. We also have a larger donation partner that essentially helps us find
places for it to go.
The country,
okay, so you can donate to food banks maybe that aren't in your local area.
That's
and
correct.
Other places that aren't in your local area. So this is quite a few. What do you call these gaylords? They're kind of like, I would call them miniature pallets.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this whole row, all of this stuff gets donated. That's crazy.
Right. Yeah. We have times where we'll have 2, 3, 4 lanes filled up with this stuff, and so yeah, one of our jobs is to get it out of the warehouse quickly to a donation partner.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So that's a really neat thing. Yeah, do they pick it up or do we deliver it or do you guys deliver it? They'll pick it up? Yeah. Okay, so they just send a truck over and you guys just load them up and...
Correct. Yeah, with the larger donation partner, essentially they'll find us a smaller area or a smaller company that wants us to donate, and we will organize transportation with them, but typically they come to pick it up.
Awesome, awesome. So it looks like you've got like a lot of household items, you got some toys, you said food items. I see a couple bikes back here. I just kind of want to scan the aisle. So we'll walk and kind of look at some of the things, and we'll just film some of the things as we're going along and talking. So we got some bikes, hair things. What's kind of some of the really neat things that you thought, this is really cool that we get to donate? That you've maybe seen?
Specifically, diapers and household goods, some like non-perishable foods, things like that. That's
awesome. The diapers thing is a big deal.
Yeah.
I know we run a food pantry out of our church, and diapers is a big thing. People don't think to donate to a food pantry, but that's expensive.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very expensive. So this is just amazing. So I'm super excited that we get to kind of share that. A lot of my viewers ask, do I donate some of the stuff that I can't use or I can't resell, and I definitely do. But it's really awesome to see this massive donate option just from you guys in general.
Yeah.
So thanks for kind of filling us in on it. And I want to look at this one thing right here. This is awesome. If I got this, I'd be so excited. So this is really cool that you donate this, because there's definitely people that can't afford things like this, but it's definitely practical and useful.
Oh, absolutely.
That's amazing. So hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you so much for informing us on what kinds of stuff you guys donate, and just filling us in that you donate it all, and that's really exciting.
Well, yeah, just to that point, I mean, ideally we like to sell as much as we can.
Obviously,
but, the next step, we don't want to just throw it away.
Keeping things out of the landfill, not having to throw it away, that's a biggie. And so Bulk.com is doing some good stuff, and I'm excited to hear that. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.